They're reacting really good to the smoke. Thank goodness. This is a really interesting way they're building. They're not building from the top down like they usually do, like they did here. They're actually building from the bottom up. That's very rare with honeybees, to build something up instead of down, because they usually hang their hives from the top of a structure down. This is a beautiful piece of honeycomb, and it's a light amber. That's the beginning of summer honey. I'm gonna cut this away and bring it out in one chunk, hopefully. Oh yeah, oh my. This is lovely. Oh man, look at that. Now that's luscious, isn't it? It's just like mama's milk, only better. I never get tired of that. It's so good. You look at that, amber honey. It's fresh out of the beehive. You can't get it any fresher than this. These bees are so engorged with honey that if you touch them, they could explode. And they're very vulnerable right now. I don't want them to be damaged or hurt.